Hey everyone, in today's session we'll learn about file input output and resource management, one of the most practical topics we'll learn today. So when we are working with files, okay, in Python we use the built-in open function to work with files. You specify the file path and the mode. So R is for reading, W is for writing, overwrites the file, A for appending at the end, and B for the binary mode. Always remember to close the file after using them, or the file may remain locked or data may not be even saved properly. So, how we can read the files? Python provides several ways to read data. Like reads the entire file into one string, like read line. It reads one line at a time, and read lines. Read all lines into a list. This session is basically mostly about the um, theory part. So writing files. To write to files, we use W or A mode. So W creates or overwrites a file, and A appends to the existing content. So, how do we close a file? Closing files is essential for good resource management. If we forget to close a file, data might not get written to disk, or the file could remain locked. Always make sure to call dot close parenthesis after file operations, or better yet use with do it automatically. Using with statement. The with statement is recommended way to handle files in Python. It's cleaner and safer to use. As we have seen here in the example, with open data.text r, that is read as for line in f print line strip, file is automatically closed here. So no need for f close. Even if an error happens inside a block, Python will close the file for you. This is why with is preferred over manual open or close. So what is buffered versus unbuffered input output? By default, Python uses buffered input output, which means it temporarily stores data in memory before writing it to the disk. This improves performance, especially the larger files. If you want unbuffered input output, we can pass buffering is equal to 0 in open. For unbuffered mode is needed. What is exception handling during file input output? When working with files, we might run into errors. We have seen this in one of our sessions regarding exception handlings. Like it gives an error and when it's like trying to read a file that doesn't exist. We use try except to handle this gracefully. Custom content message. Like we can use even build your own context managers using the enter exit methods like class my resources. This pattern is useful when we are managing resources other than files like network connections, database sessions, or temporary logs. So, to summarize it all, always close files, handle exceptions gracefully to avoid the crashes, use the correct mode of reading or writing. Buffered input output improves performance on large files. Custom context managers gives you powerful control over resource management. Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next session.